Looking to transform your balcony into a cozy retreat? In this video, we'll explore stunning balcony ideas, from simple seating to decorative swings, cozy lighting, and stylish themes. For a small,
Let's dive into
intimate
these
space,
creative
a
designs.
one-seat balcony is perfect. It's minimal yet comfortable, ideal for relaxing with a good book or a cup of coffee. Love swings? A balcony with a cozy swing chair brings a fun and relaxing vibe, making your outdoor space more inviting. For a larger space, try a two-seat balcony with green plants, warm lights, and plenty of sunlight. It's a perfect blend of nature and comfort. Add two swings, an L-shaped sofa, and a blue rug to create a blue-themed haven. For a bright, cheerful vibe, go with a yellow theme. Enhance the mood with soft candle lighting for a peaceful atmosphere. Incorporate wooden decor and a mirror to add warmth and depth to your balcony. If you loved these beautiful balcony ideas, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing home decor tips.